Hi, this is Ryan from Foxtecc. If you're trying to check your TikTok inbox and want to make sure you're not missing any important messages, I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's get started. First, to check your TikTok inbox for messages from other users, open the TikTok app on your device. Once you're in, tap on the Inbox icon at the bottom right of the screen. This is where you'll find all your direct messages, notifications, and interactions with other users. Whether it's comments on your videos, likes, or messages from friends, it's all organized here for easy access. Now, if you're looking for messages or notifications directly from TikTok, such as responses to support requests or appeals, you'll need to take a slightly different route. Start by going to your profile by tapping on the Profile icon, also located at the bottom right. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right to open up the Settings and Privacy menu. In Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you find the Report a Problem option. Tap on it, and then click on the clock icon at the top right of the screen. This will show you any support tickets you've submitted, along with responses from TikTok moderators. It's a useful way to keep track of any issues you've reported or questions you've asked TikTok support. Additionally, if you're concerned about your account status or want to check for any community guidelines violations, you can do that too. In the Settings and Privacy menu, tap on Support, then navigate to the Safety Center. From there, select Report Records. Here, you'll find any messages related to your account's safety, including notifications about violations or other account-related updates. By following these steps, you can stay on top of all your TikTok communications, whether they're from other users, TikTok support, or regarding your account status. It's important to regularly check these areas to ensure you're up to date with everything happening on your account. I hope this video helps you manage your TikTok inbox more effectively. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.